Hi everyone, this is Haley Dorelia, and this is my task tool matrix that I'm going to share with you guys today. So ideally I will be teaching in a multiple subject classroom, most likely in the lower grades like second. So I went ahead and covered in my matrix reading, writing, math, social studies, science, and social skills. So the design strategies for all of the subjects are pretty much the same. I definitely want to focus on a universal design for learning. This will include differentiated learning for all students, including ELLs, English language learners, special needs learners, GATE students, and every student in between. Another design strategy is obviously Joy Zabala's SET framework, which covers student, environment, task, and tools. So this is definitely important. So the hardware is pretty much the same for all of the subjects. I definitely would utilize a computer, iPads, AAC devices if needed for any special needs learners, interactive whiteboards, smartphones, which that would be mostly for home use, voice or video recorders, Microsoft Office, and Google Docs. So I kind of structured it into each subject. I had many on my matrix, but I just selected a few to share with everyone today. So for reading, obviously audiobooks, text-to-speech, graphic organizers, a few apps that I found are ABC Pocket Phonics, Booksy, and My Word Wall. For writing, electronic dictionaries. Some AT would be some pencil grips, highlighters, clipboards, raised line paper, interactive whiteboards, voice recognition software, and dry erase boards. Math would be calculators, manipulatives, including virtual. Visuals, YouTube is helpful. There's a lot of fun math apps and math simulations. For social studies, still a projector, television, digital texts, websites, interactive games, and again, apps. In science, I would like to use audiobooks, graphic organizers, apps again, websites, simulation programs, and virtual manipulatives. Social skills, there's interactive text, again, manipulatives, cue cards, and apps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for listening, guys.